So today we're going to be talking about fatty acid synthesis. Okay. Uh, the gist of fatty acid synthesis is that it's almost the exact opposite of beta oxidation. Okay, where beta oxidation, we were trying to create double bond O's in that acetyl group. Okay, to basically take out acetyl CoAs but keep that addition going. You basically have the same molecule but shorter. Alright? Now, for fatty acid synthesis, it's almost the opposite, where we're going to be adding acetyl-CoAs, okay, in the form of malonyl-CoAs, but we'll get to that. We're going to be adding acetyl-CoAs and then removing that double bond O, alright? So try to make that connection, okay? So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is that weird molecule that I talked about, that malonyl-CoA. Now, Malonyl-CoA is going to be pretty much the exact same thing as acetyl-CoA, but with an extra carboxyl group, all right, a COO negative. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we get that Malonyl-CoA? Well, we're going to be using an enzyme complex, all right? That enzyme complex is going to be comprised of three proteins. It's going to be a biotin carboxylase, a biotin carrier protein, and a transcarboxylase. So even with the names, it kind of tells you the story of what's happening, right? We have a biotin that's being carboxylated, right? And it's going to transfer that carboxy group to the acetyl-CoA. That's what I want you to be thinking about this, okay? This is actually the only part of fatty acid synthesis that uses ATP specifically, all right? So, how this works, the biotin is going to be the biotin carrier protein, think of it as a swinging arm, okay? It's going to shuttle back and forth between the biotin carboxylase and that transcarboxylase. Alright, so first we're going to talk about that biotin carboxylase. So the biotin is going to swing over, and a bicarbonate molecule is going to be added in, and we're actually going to use ATP to add that CO2 or that carboxy group to the biotin. Alright? Once that happens, it's going to swing over to the transcarboxylase, and acetyl-CoA is going to come in, and that biotin is going to transfer that carboxy group to that acetyl-CoA, creating malonyl-CoA. In the next video, we're going to be talking about how we use that malonyl-CoA for fatty acid synthesis. Alright?